Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can log gallery album on Samsung Galaxy phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Samsung Galaxy phone, and if we want to log our gallery album, we need to activate Gallery Labs feature. First thing first, we need to go to our gallery and then go to the gallery setting to activate the Gallery Labs feature. You can click on the three lines to open up the setting. Then go to the settings option, and here you have to scroll down until you find the About Gallery option. Select this option, and to activate the Gallery Labs feature, we need to tap on the version 10 times until the Gallery Labs activated. And I'm going to demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and now the Gallery Labs feature is enabled, and I'm going to go back to the gallery setting, and we can scroll down, and this is the Gallery Labs feature. We can select this option, and to log our gallery album, we need to activate album entry logs feature. Activate this feature by clicking on this toggle button, and you can click on OK. Right, and after that you have to close your gallery application. Then you can go back to gallery and select the album you want to log. For example, I'm going to log this camera album. We can tap and hold on the camera and then click on more option and select log album. Okay, and now the album is logged. And if we want to unlock the album, guys, we have to go to the camera, the album we have locked, okay, like this. And I'm just going to use my fingerprint to open it. And then we can click on the three dots and select unlock album. And after that, the album will be unlocked, as you can see. And don't forget to set a pattern or fingerprint on your setting before you activate the album entry log, because we will use the pattern and fingerprint or maybe password to log our album. Okay guys, and that's all the way to log gallery album on a Samsung Galaxy phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.